Hello guys, welcome back. So in this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can use shortcut keys on your keyboard for faster editing, and also how you can configure your keyboard shortcut keys. So the purpose of using shortcut keys is just to basically fasten your editing speed. The basic shortcut keys you need to know is, for cutting of your clips, you have the Ctrl B. So this is a whole clip. Let's assume you want to divide it into two. You can use Ctrl B to cut. Ctrl B is for cutting. Ctrl B is for cutting, and it's for splitting, cutting, splitting. So you have, and one thing you notice is, if you hover your mouse on any of the keys, you'll be able to see the shortcuts. So let's assume you want to undo. Undo is Ctrl Z. As I hover it on this undo button, you can see it's showing Ctrl Z. So Ctrl Z. So you just have to, as a newbie, you just have to try to master up the keys so you can save more time while editing. So first of all, to configure your shortcut keys, so you see this part. If you look at the top of the preview section, you see the shortcut keys. You just click on it. So from here, you can be able to read through. You can be able to change the settings. You can be able to configure the shortcut keys yourself the way you want it. So you have the Ctrl B for splitting of your two clips, split all. So you have the select. So let's assume you just want to select. You want to use the select. You click on A. You want to split, use B. So you just have to come here and master all these shortcuts keys and settings, and you can also configure it. So let's assume you want to be using Ctrl K for your splitting. I just configure it as, so once you click on it, then you just click on Ctrl K. So next time you can always use Ctrl K to cut your clip instead of Ctrl B, which you were using before. So that's just basically how to configure your shortcut keys. So the basic shortcut keys that mostly fasten up your edits is the Ctrl B for splitting, and you have Q for deleting left. So let's say you want to delete from this row, this part of the clip, you want to delete the one on the left side. Just click on Q, it will cut to the left. So let's assume you want to delete one on the right side, you just click on W, it will cut to the right. So those are the basic, most important shortcut keys. You also have the delete. You just have to click on backspace on your editing timeline. So the space bar is for playing. Space bar is for playing on your keyboard. Just click on the space bar. It's going to be playing. So you have the marker. Marker is M. So let's assume you want to mark a section of your clip. Just click on M. It's going to mark the points. So another point, click on M again. So yeah, let's assume you want to undo all what you done. So just click on Ctrl Z. Click on Ctrl Z. So basically, those are the most important shortcut keys. And with that, I'm going to be ending this tutorial. So we are seeing the next video tutorial.